Stronger legs means stronger independence. Let's build that strength together, one simple move at a time. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. Today is day 5 of our 100-day senior exercise series. If you're new here, don't worry. These movements are safe, simple, and perfect for all fitness levels. Let's grab our chair, get into position, and strengthen our legs together. Exercise 1. Chair, sit, and stand. Begin by placing your sturdy chair against a wall for complete safety. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart and keep your chest lifted. Slowly push your hips back and lower yourself toward the chair until you make gentle contact with the seat. Then drive through your heels and rise to a full standing position. We will complete 25 repetitions together, and I will count each one with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep breathing steadily and maintain a smooth rhythm as you move. If this is your 5th day, your legs might feel slightly warm, which is a positive sign of strengthening progress. How are you feeling right now? I am here with you, guiding every repetition just like a trainer standing beside you. Let me know in the comments which country you are watching from, because our senior community is growing every single day. Remember to stay focused on your form and celebrate every successful stand, because each repetition is an important investment. Exercise 2. Seated leg marching. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly on the sides of the chair for support. Lift your right leg slowly, bringing your knee upward without leaning back. Lower it with control, then repeat the movement as if you are marching in place. We will complete 25 repetitions on the right leg together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now switch to your left leg and keep the same smooth lifting motion while staying tall. Join me as we count loudly for motivation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This marching exercise helps strengthen the hip flexors, improves circulation, and keeps your legs active without placing stress on your joints. If you are enjoying this routine, please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can benefit from these gentle movements and stay active with you every day. Exercise 3, heel raises. Stand tall behind your sturdy chair and place both hands gently on the backrest for balance and support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your posture upright. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rising onto the balls of your feet, and then lower them back down with full control. This simple movement strengthens your calves and ankles, which are essential for stability and safe walking. Now join me as we complete 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Maintain steady breathing as you lift and lower, focusing on smooth motion rather than rushing through the exercise. Keep your core slightly engaged and your shoulders relaxed. If this is your 5th day, your legs are definitely feeling stronger, and that strength will continue to grow with daily practice. Remember that every repetition is a valuable step toward better balance and confidence in your movement. Stay consistent, keep showing up, and celebrate your progress with pride today. Share your effort proudly and continue strengthening your body every day. Exercise 4, leg extensions. Sit tall on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your hands resting gently on the sides for balance. Keep both feet flat on the floor and engage your core. Slowly extend your right leg forward until it is fully straight, keeping your toes pointed upward. Hold for a brief moment, then lower your foot back down with control. We will complete 25 repetitions on the right leg together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now lift your left leg and repeat the same smooth motion. Join me as we count every repetition clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Move at a steady pace and avoid swinging your leg. This slow extension strengthens your quadriceps and supports safe walking. Are your legs burning a little? That means they are getting stronger. Stay focused and controlled because each repetition helps build confidence and mobility for your daily activities. Exercise 5, side leg lifts. Stand tall beside your sturdy chair and place one hand gently on the backrest for safe balance and smooth movement. Keep your posture upright, activate your core gently, and relax your shoulders. Shift your weight slowly onto your left foot, then lift your right leg out to the side with full control, avoiding any leaning. Lower your leg smoothly and keep your breathing steady. We will complete 25 repetitions on the right side together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now shift your weight to your right foot and begin lifting your left leg with the same calm and steady motion. Join me as we count each repetition clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. When you finish all repetitions, please comment below and share how your legs are feeling because your progress encourages other seniors to stay active every single day. Keep going strong. Great job completing day 5. Tell me in the comments how you're feeling today. And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can exercise with you. See you tomorrow for day 6.